Hello warriors, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I am going to show you how to use free software to edit your video. Okay, so before you upload your video to the YouTube channel, if there is something need to edit, then you can use these free software online to edit your video, then you can upload to your YouTube channel. Okay, so there are tons of softwares available online. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all of them. So those software I am using, I'm only going to show you those softwares here. Okay, so first software I'm using is Screen Customatic. This software can record our PC screen and also it allows us to edit our video. Okay, so these softwares come with the free version, also they have premium version. Okay, so if you like to record your PC or just you want to edit your video, then you can try this software. So this software is very handy, very user friendly. Okay, the price is also very cheap. You can see it's $18 per year, and if you go for premium, additionally $11 you have to pay. Okay, so they have all the tutorials. Okay, you can find here somewhere. So they will provide you all the tutorials, and it's very easy to use. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can use. Okay, so once I click my videos here, you can see these two icons. Okay, this icon is to launch recorder and this icon to open video editor. Okay, I will show you the video editor now. So once I click there, it's showing already open. So I'm using this software now. So once you click here, it will open another window and it allows us to import our video inside. Okay, so once we import the video, then we can edit that video very easily. Okay, you can go through their tutorials and you will learn how to use this software. The next software I recommend is KineMaster. So this software is mostly those who want to use their phone to edit the video, and this software is very handy. Okay, so you can download this app on your Android phone and you can start to edit your video on the phone. Okay, so it's very handy, and so there are a lot of YouTube videos available on how to edit your video on KineMaster. So you can just refer those videos, then you can start to edit your video. Okay, the another one is Hit Film Express. This software is also available free and premium version, and they got Android app and also available for Windows PC and Mac. Okay, so these are my few softwares recommendation. Okay, so you can start to try these softwares. You can first try it as a free version, then if you like the software, then you can go for premium version. It's up to you. Alright, so that's all for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.